You're welcome to today's class. So we want to continue on circle geometry, and for today we are going to pick the next theorem, and that is the theorem on cyclic quadrilateral. So we pick that, and we do a quick summary of what we have done so far too. So that is major thing we want to look at today. So for the cyclic quadrilateral, when we say cyclic quadrilateral, we are talking about a four-sided figure inside a circle. You can see the screen. Four-sided figure in a circle. So, and then all the vertices of the quadrilateral will be touching the circle, and that is what you can see there. So we realize that the according to the theorem here, the sum of the opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. So meaning the opposite, see. So you can see this is a four-sided figure. So these and these are not opposite. They are not opposite. These and these are not opposite. Why these and these are not opposite? So when you say opposite, this is opposite. So 180 are opposite. So they add up to give you 180. They are supplementary. So in some textbooks, you see it as the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So meaning they add up to give you 180 degrees. So you can see, you see another opposite, 110 and 170, they are opposite. So when they add up, it will give you. So how can we prove this? Even if you are not using the normal proof, you are using numerical proof. So how do we do that? So you can easily see that from what we have done before under double angle. So if you look at this now, if you have something of this nature, from what we have done before, you can see that is A. If that is A, which is angle at the circumference, then according to what we did, it will be equals to what? 2 times of this will be here. So this should give us 2A. Angle at the center, which is this, is twice the one at the circumference. Then likewise, this one here will still be same thing as what? 2 times this. So if that is B, for example, then the other one will be 2B. So you can see this is 2A, this is 2B. So you have to take note here. It's not this and this that are what? That are related. You can see anyone that will be related, they will be facing the same arc. This particular angle is facing this arc here. It's facing the arc here. So the angle at the center too must be facing the same arc. So this is this corresponding angle at the center. This angle at the center here is facing this side. It's facing this side. His own angle at the circumference will also be facing that. That's B. So by the time you know this is 2B, this is B. And then from what we have done before, angle at the center is what? 360 degrees. So it means 2A plus 2B will give us 360 degrees. So 2 is common, A plus B will be equals to what? 360 degrees. By the time you divide 2 by 2, A plus B will be equals to 180 degrees. So that is that's 180 degree. So and I think so that's what they have also done for us. So you can see 2A plus 2B equals to. So and then so you see the same. So let me just erase my own. Okay. So okay. So that's the solution to that particular one. Okay, so let me quickly clean. So that's how we have got. It's just a kind of numerical proof to that theorem. All right, so we move to, so that is the major theorem that we want to look at today. We'll just from here we are going to, we'll go to, so meaning that what we have done so far, we have looked at double angle, we have looked at theorem on semicircle, we have looked at theorem on segments and angles, and we have also looked at theorem on cyclic quadrilateral. So let's quickly go to our IXL to see if you can practice some questions here. So for those who that have ISL, you can quickly go to that, and just like we did, you go to geometry. So let me share my screen here so that will be on the same page. Okay. So let me quickly share the screen. So go to geometry, under circle. Under circle, you see angles in inscribed quadrilaterals. So that's what we will quickly practice now. Angles in inscribed quadrilaterals. Okay. So the theorem, they have said opposite angles. So they say find the value of u. You can see that u is opposite to x. X has been given as 101. So what do you add to 101 to give you 180 degree? You can see it's very simple. That's 79. It is 79 that must be added. So just put your 79 there. So that's that. The next one, find angle H. You realize that angle H is opposite. Angle H is opposite to what? 92. So what will you add to 92 to give you 180? That's 180 minus 92. And that should give you 98. Is it 98? No. That's 88. That's 88. 88. So just write your 88 there. So that's 88. Okay. Yeah. So you said, what are angle E and angle F? Yes. Angle E and angle F. Angle E and angle F. So you realize that for angle E is opposite to what? 70. So what will you add to 70 to give you 180? That's 110. So angle E is 110. For angle F, what will you add to 84 to make it become what? Is opposite to 84. So what we add to it, that would be 96. So angle E is 110, angle F is what? 96. So let's quickly. Angle E is 110. Angle F, angle E is 110. E is 110. And then the other one is F is 96. F is 96. Sorry, 110. F is 96. Sorry, my keyboard is misbehaving. 96. This is 110. So the next one here says find D and G. Find D and G. Let me quickly clear this first. So you see that D is opposite. D is opposite to F. D is opposite to F. So that would be what? 90. To still be 90. Hope you agree with me. Still be 90. Then for G is opposite to E. What do I add to 98? So that would be what? 82. So my G is 82. So that is that. So I think these are just some of the things that we have there. So we can continue on this. So now let me go to, there are two things that they put under that particular one. So let's go back to the next one. That's 14. They put, so we have just done 1. So let's see what we have in 2. Okay. Okay. Let's see if okay. So you can see this is another way of putting it. They call it MAD. MAD is 41 degrees. And then from what we have done before, I think we have done something. Oh, we didn't do that example. That one is just talking about MAD. That's talking about angle. Okay, find MAD. Find MAD. Find MAD. Where is M? Okay, I think here we just need to, this additional way, additional thing that they have put there. Sorry. Let's see this particular one. This is, you can see angle A is 95. Angle A is 95. And so angle A is 95. And from there, it means that angle C will be equals to, okay, let me see. Angles inscribed in quadrilaterals. Okay. So the 41 we have here is another thing it's talking about. Is another thing that is trying to talk about. I want to believe that that should be angle at the center. Angle at the center. That is, if we, let me, okay, let me annotate. Okay, so I want to believe that what they are just trying to say is that we have an angle at the middle here. And that's angle at the center. So, and then for this, angle at the center is Okay, I think the best approach we can use, let's see, the best approach we can use is to let them explain it to us. That's a way of learning. Let them explain it to us. So let's just find something as our answer. They should be able to explain it to us, what they actually mean. MAD. If I need to guess this right, AD. Okay. Okay. If I need to guess it right, I'll use this as 41. This 97. Okay. Let's just put something there. 55, 54. So they will explain it to us. Okay, they said the answer is 129. So let's see the explanation. Okay, yeah, I think my guess is also right. I just try to, so yeah, it's angle at the center. They mean by that angle at the center. So MB, there's a particular aspect that we are supposed to have practiced before now. So since we did practice that, so in this case now, is half of. Okay, let's see how they have solved that. Okay, this is 85, and they have given us half. Okay. Okay, let me do the explanation. So since this is 41 is the center, so this is 41. So what we want to find now is MAD, AD, that angle here, angle at the center here. This is what they want us to find. But since this one is 95, this one will be 85. Then they have also given us this 71 is center, 97 is the center, meaning from year to year is 97. So in this case now, we need to know this particular angle. We need to know this particular angle to be able to get this. So since this is 41, this is 41. This 95. Then this is this 97. Yeah. We need this place. Coming. Okay. This is what they have given us. Okay. 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 This is 2 times 85. So our answer will be 2 times 85 minus 41. 2 times 85 is 170 minus 41. 129. Okay. Mm,